Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Alright, have a look at the documents and driver's license.
So that is the only reason why you're detaining me right now?
Yes, sir. I'm stopping you under section 7 of the road traffic officer. Give me the report, inspect your documents and driver's license.
So
right?
just to inspect my documents?
Yes, sir.
That's all. What's the name again, by the way?
My name is Okar Deans. I'm a district constable.
Yes.
Attached to the public safety and traffic enforcement branch.
Okay,
I'm
gotcha.
giving you a lawful instruction to provide me the documents.
Right.
Everybody driving a motor vehicle
Right.
must present their driver's license at the request of a constable, sir.
Yes.
They are written in the law.
Right.
So I like for you to provide me the driver's license to prove to me that you can drive a vehicle.
Alright, so officer, I'm just letting you know before I go further that I'm willing to give you the documents, but I'm telling
I
you,
ask for your driver's license, sir.
please note
Provide
that
me
I'm not
with your
waiving
driver's
any rights, alright?
license, sir. I am giving you a lawful order to provide
Please
me with
note
your
that I'm not
driver's
waiving
license.
any of my rights to move freely across the country.
Provide me with your driver's
Please
license.
note
Prove
that
to me
I am
that
not
you
waiving any
prove to me
rights.
that you are the holder of a driver's
Please
license, you
note
are
that
operating
I'm
a
not
motor
waiving any rights to move freely across the country. That's all I'm saying.
vehicle. Sir, provide me with a
That is
driver's
all I'm
license.
saying.
You
So if you're
must
going to
provide
detain
it.
me
You
for that
must-
purpose, sir,
You
I will
must
give it to
present
you.
your driver's license when
Foolishness.
requested by a police.
Foolishness.
Okay, well don't do it.
Foolishness. You know how much last week? Take this. You know nonsense.
Anybody,
Just stop it, nice, man. Me not argue with you. Just stop. Just stop. Foolishness. You want something else? Foolishness.
You get the documents, sir?
Foolishness. Foolishness. We need more training. Yeah, more than lawsuit, we got. We just need more training. Just take. Damn stupid. For your must. Just know that I'm not waiving any rights.
Mr. Dan, thank you so much for your patience, sir. You may proceed. Thank you.
So in the first video, he started off the video good, the way he's talking to the police officer. He started off the video good. But around the end, you can hear how he got a little contentious, you know? The police started getting a little bit aggressive, and so did he. I would try to tell people, just try to refrain from that. Refrain from being upset. Me, myself, I've made that mistake of getting upset with the police officers, you know. But even though you know that, like, they don't really have no reason to stop you, you know, it's annoying. You know what it is. Like, sometimes they just make up